Well, we're here at the Aussie Junior titles at Horsham, Victoria. We've got our way through to the business end of the week, just finals to come now. But I want to take you through my team, the BCP Pro Circuit Honda Junior team. They're having a great week. Let me introduce them to start with. Tanisha Harnett, giving it an absolute crack in the girls' class. And we've got Reese Budd, Travis Edwards, and Roy Sinnell. So we come back over here. I just want to ask Tanisha a quick question. So far, we've had a few finals. How's your week been going so far?
Yeah, it's been pretty good. I'm sitting in second and there's a few races to go.
How's the track out here? We got a little bit of rain and they ripped it. Is it a bit better today?
Yeah, it's a bit better. There's a few ruts and it's much better.
All right, cool. We'll move across now to Reese Budd, who's had a sensational week so far. He's got second, first and second in the qualifying heats. Final start today. But Reese, I just want to quickly ask you a question. For any young aspiring juniors that want to try to make it to your level, try to be a bit of a gun junior one day, how would you recommend they get into the sport?
It's definitely a family effort, you know. The people around you make a big difference in the sport. So you got to start off with a bike, obviously, and just have fun. And their family also helps a lot. So it's a good sport to get into.
All right, perfect. Well, thanks for letting me take you through my BCP Pro Circuit Honda Junior team. Want to wish them the best of luck for these last couple of days. Thanks for joining us.